come to school too.
Good afternoon, what are you doing here?
I'm here to see you. Concern this NYC, this posting.
I want to go to Lagos. Everybody that serve in Lagos, I posted them. You? Yes, now. I even posted the last president from Bayelsa to Abuja. Later, I now posted it from Abuja to Bayelsa.
Child!
Hello.
Are you alright? Why you touch me in that manner of a place?
I'm sorry. I'm a youth copper.
You're a youth cobra.
No, copper.
And what are you finding?
School two.
Me, I don't know that place of a place. Oh.
Okay, I feel that way. When you are go straight down, you are going to turn on that right. When you not turn it like a right, don't move. Be moving forward though. Don't make it left or any or a front. Move right small again. Turn to the. Move forward. You will not reach the school. Okay. So you are getting me now. Okay. It's not a far place. It's a very simple. Use your head. Just turn. Yeah, the place.
Good afternoon. I'm looking for school two.
After 2 or 3 turnings, then you see. Sorry, what do you call it again?
School two.
School 2? Yeah. Sorry, I don't know the place.
What?
You see this street now? When you go straight, you get one woman where they sell on body. Mama Chichi. If you reach Mama Chichi, then you take left. If you follow that left, you go straight. You go see Onyeze. Onyeze ne Nkwabi. You won't go Onyeze. Then you now follow another left. If you reach there, you ask them. Because to myself, I don't even know the main place where they call school too. But I've heard that so many people are going to school too. But it's well with you. You will see the place. Just follow my direction. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
If you take this road straight down, you will now see one orange color.
What are you looking for?
I'm a copper. They just posted me to this place.
Who posted you?
From the NYC camp, sir.
No. They don't feel supposed to come here, no.
What?
It is a lie. They can't post you in this school.
We are watching school too. Keep watching school too.
School too.